Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hey, hey! You can't see me, right? See what I'm fighting for each time during the 2 first episodes of this season, during the 2 last ones, I was fighting with that big and ta-da! You can see me! Don't worry, at the end of this intro, I'm gonna be right there without any issue, but for now, I'm talking to you from right there. That's a coffee, the 3rd one today. Watching The Witcher, it's not that easy to watch the 8 episodes in only 2 days. To begin to edit the videos, so you guys on Patreon, you can have all of the episodes already, because they have 4 episodes of advance on you, so they already have the 8 episodes and since a long time now. To be able to do that, you know, I'm filming during the day 4 episodes, I'm editing 2 episodes each night. I'm sick still. I think that you can hear that it's better. Me, I'm feeling way better, but you can hear that my voice is better because my nose is less taken like that. But clearly, I'm functioning with coffee, with teas, with a lot of things like that. Oh fuck, I didn't put my plate. Okay. Act like you didn't see anything. Yes, I'm not respecting you with the outfit. I mean, 2 days now that I'm respecting you right there, with the outfit right there, but not right there. Really, it's my jogging that I'm wearing when I want to be comfy because it's really cold. It's not the case today and yesterday, as you understood, but I'm sick, so I have the right, you know, to be comfy, and you can't see it. Normally I have my plate. Coffee. The morning coffee, it really doesn't have the same taste than the coffee just after eating. No, I'm not really talking about that. Did I say I? No. Hello! Hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Witcher Season 2, Episode 7, like that. I'm not gonna... 7. I already watched today's episodes 5 and 6, and yesterday the 4 first episodes of this Season 2. And I watched also the Season 1 with you. You were there, maybe not. I'm gonna put all of the links into the eye if you can be interested by that, by watching these episodes with me. If you want to discover how I fell in love with these characters, I said it during the intro of one episode, I can really see that I love this show mostly because of the characters. The stories are great, the creatures are great, the musics are epic, some of the pictures are so beautiful, like they know how to film, they know how to write their stories, they know how to do it, you know, with the pictures and the musics, they know how to do all of that, the cast is playing well, everything is interesting, but me, I really fall in love with the character. And that way also I think that during the reviews, each time I'm really talking about the characters and their developments, the choices that they made during the episodes, but also the future ones that maybe they're gonna have to. Right there, I'm worried, but at the same time, I really have hope for these characters. Maybe I love them too much and I'm in fucking denial with them, but you know, we have Yennefer who stole Ciri because of that witch, you know, that voice asking her to do so if she wants to have her power back. At first she refused that deal, now she's so desperate that maybe she can do it, even if she discovered that Ciri, she's Geralt's daughter. Yes, now I'm considering her as his daughter. Did she still really Ciri? I mean, they were in a position, they needed to escape. It was not her who opened the portal, but it was Ciri. She followed Ciri, she was not gonna let Ciri all alone by herself. She did it without doing it, like, I still have hope for the fact that she's gonna refuse that deal again, because also she's discovering Ciri, and I really think that the two of you can fit well together, like you can really appreciate the girl at some point. I would love that, you know, for Ciri to have someone like you, Yennefer, to count on, but also for Yennefer, we know that she wanted to have a child, and also I want that for her also. And now also that you discovered that she's related to Geralt like that, maybe it's gonna be another reason for not doing that. We'll see. And also I would want for you to understand that you're powerful even without your power, that you are that strong, that brilliant. All of this season, for now, you survived and you did all of this stuff without your power, and it didn't block you for doing amazing stuff. Ciri also, I think that at some point she's gonna have to make a choice. All of what we saw, all of what she saw into her dreams, her hallucinations, her stuff about these voices calling her, saying to her that she's a daughter of chaos, telling her that she has to join them, telling her that she's a seed of, I can't remember, you know, like she needs to come back. And what Istra discovered also during the last episode, the fact that maybe Ciri, she's a part of a curse, you know, she's representing the revenge, his revenge, and that warrior, the fact that these monsters, these creatures that are after her, because maybe Ciri is the reason why they were created, because they are there, because they are out of the monolith. I think that at some point Ciri, she's gonna have to make a choice. And for now, I can't see a reason why she would make the bad choice, you know, like all of what we know about that girl since the beginning, it's the fact that she's a nice person, she has a big heart, she wants to believe in people, she wants to help people, she wants to do things right, she wants to do the good things each time. She's afraid of that part of her, the fact that she can be like that. She feels that she can do something bad. She said it to Geralt, and we had several moments like that. She's afraid of that, she doesn't want to do that. That's why she wanted to be a witcher, you know, because she wanted to belong to a group. She wanted also to be sure that she would be on the good side of the force. And now I really think that Ciri is gonna take the good decision, and for her to not take the good decision, I wouldn't understand why such a switch. For me, before that, she needs to be betrayed, she needs to feel desperate, she needs to be disappointed by Geralt, for example, or something like that, really to lose everything, to be tempted by that side. We'll see. But see, I have hope. I know that bad stuff are gonna come, and they are repeating since also the beginning of this season, that things are changing, that they all can feel that it's a new era which is gonna arrive, that something bad is gonna happen. They are really talking about that a lot, and all of them, you know, every one of them, the ones, you know, Tissaia and Ors, the elves, all of them, really all of the different factions, groups, they are talking about that, and that might be right. But yes, I have hope still. And the fact, you know, that Geralt is supportive, so supportive with Ciri, even if she's telling him that she's afraid of doing stuff bad and all, that she lost a lot of people and that she might be cursed, you know, she's saying stuff implying that. Him each time is responding by telling her how great she is, how brilliant she is. I believe into you, Ciri. Because destiny brought you together. For those of you who don't know that joke, go watch my reaction videos about the first season. Really, each time that they are saying destiny, I'm ping, the flame of destiny. The light of destiny? Oh, I can't remember. The light of destiny. Oh yeah, oh, huh? I'm turning that thing on each time. And now we can understand also how Yennefer included into that. She's a part of that destiny. Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro right now and I'm gonna begin this episode 7. And like usually, remember that you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier. They already have all of the episodes and since a long time now. And with an extended or full action parts. It can be interesting for you. It's the advantages that I created on my Patreon, so you know, you can have something in return. It's the best way to support me. If you can't, don't worry, you can subscribe, like, comment. It's also helping me. Little by little, at least it's gonna help. Let's go for this episode 7. And for my coffee, I need to drink it. See the sun? Really, it's so hot in my apartment, 25 degrees. Outside, it's 6 degrees, I think, today. Of course I'm gonna get sick with stuff like that, temperatures like that. She went somewhere that she knows, Ciri, somewhere she feels safe.
Ciri needs more than you can give her now. I swore to
She needs information, the truth.
You believe Yennefer means to harm the girl.
No.
Sometimes we assume the worst because we fear to hope.
What I said in intro, I'm not afraid. I have hope. He was after you. Do you really think so now, Ciri?
She's got Geralt. Geralt's wrong. They'll have kept Geralt alive to help track you down. They'll hold him to lure you there. Cintra. You must go to Cintra together. I have to go alone. Ciri, I'm not leaving your side. If anything were to happen to you, they would never forgive me. We must hurry.
I think that you're honest with that. Yennefer. No. I have hope.
A new position of authority means new responsibility.
A new position of authority doesn't change the fact that I love you.
Yeah.
We need to rebuild our army.
Yes, I agree. But let's do it wisely. To bring outsiders into the fold, we must ensure they're in Egypt. Half of the girls did not muster for training this morning.
The celebration for Charles Butler related to the orders. I will talk to them.
You are not their commander.
She can be.
She should remember that.
Oh Deo! I didn't like the little wink, I saw it.
What would you have me do?
If the elves refuse to serve, let me deal with them.
You're not against her, but you're not going on the same direction than her. There is more things than being an enemy, being an ally.
Are you going to do it, or should I? And you call yourself a leader?
It's been a long time traveling on the roads that lead to nowhere. So lock me up and lock me out and throw away that key. Go fuck fucking with me. Thank you.
No, cut your tongue out.
Harmonies were a little pitchy. Gordon, you're amazing. Talent recognizes talent. Let's go again. 3. Lock me up and lock me up. Awesome.
You meeting again?
Good sir, you would not know talent if I shoved it up you, Geralt. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
I missed you too.
What are you doing?
We're out of time. We need to go.
Last time we saw each other, you basically told me to fuck off. Remember? And you left me on a mountain.
Yes.
Have you seen these boots? I mean, fucking Yasky and me, I'm talking to you. This is how this works.
I need your help.
Fine.
Oh, we're friends.
First, gentlemen, it's been an honor. What? I made new friends. Get over it.
I love you.
He's your protector.
Yep.
He's a father I never had. I'm with him. I don't feel alone anymore. I know what you mean. What was between you and Geralt?
Oh.
Regret, hope, and fear.
Love?
So, you love him too?
I never intended to fight.
Uh-huh.
Grow strong again.
Have you forgotten who brought that child into the world? Our war is your war.
Fringilla, as a friend, I must ask, are these your words or Kahir's?
It's hers right there.
We can all stay this way if our bond remains strong.
Family. Blood. That's the only bond that can't be broken. And that's the one I must protect.
You're forgetting something, Francesca. What was given can be taken from you. I really think that if she's not doing her part of the job, you know, like she's not listening to the little voice anymore, something bad is gonna happen to her or to her baby.
Besides, it's not just a baby, it's a symbol, a beacon. Not to mention a potential enemy who'll live for centuries. Who was currently...
You want to assassinate a baby?
Why I find it so very hard to believe that you came here simply to shake gossip.
Yep.
Triss... Nagel, is it? Triss is here.
She fell ill in Temerian and has come here to recover.
Yes, there are tales of many a strange stomach ailment this spring. All of them coming from up in the mountains, though.
He hasn't been here in days.
He? The one who
He
is
said he'd come.
hiring you?
No one run you down, Tess. If it works, your master will be here in an instant, I assure you.
Are you gonna feel that she's an elder? That much?
Oh, bless. She risked her life for me.
Yes.
You know, I knew there was some
She
secret
came back
going
to save
on,
you.
going for that rage and hair. She had a lot of hair, that woman. Yeah, she was almost grown. She lost her magic. She was almost fine.
She lost her magic.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
No, it was great. Only just realizing now that she might have been lying. Fuck!
She didn't lie.
When the Virginian guards grabbed her, she muttered something about forests and mothers and huts.
Do you know?
Forest hut.
Oh, no, front to me. Yeah, that's what she said.
You know.
She's in league with the deathless mother.
Yes, I'm calling her the witch.
Well, that's Meir. The first witch is behind to imprison her.
But someone's gonna open up the door.
What is her purpose?
Someone being.
She's serving.
She would sacrifice your child to price to get her magic back. You bet your bloated biceps she would.
No.
There's a demon that feeds on pain. We need to go to Cintra.
Yeah, what's in Cintra?
All of you, you're gonna be in Cintra.
Yeah, up in secret. Going to start to shit.
There isn't a white fucking wolf in that big fucking mouth.
So many friends, Geralt.
And I need a horse. I'll
Pay?
pay you down with interest once I find some coin.
Don't want to tell you to shit twice and die, and you never refuse help on the trail. This map's too big for us lot anyway.
Not my usual type. You'll do.
Come on, boy. The king can wait.
Is our name?
Adventure.
Ew.
Where else can we cross? 12 days wide, we don't have that kind of time. Lesson number 2. Let's see what your chaos can do. You can do this, Ciri. I believe in you.
You're encouraging her, you're there for her. Come on, I have hope, Yennefer.
Zeynep inirişim. En bizim interesse in loving and them.
It's gonna do what?
Demonstrate. Trust your power to do the work.
Come on, Ciri. Ciri, don't break.
That's enough. I can do it. We'll find another route. You're going to hurt yourself. Ciri, stop! Stop!
Listen to her. Don't scream like that, you know. What?
Well, that's one way of doing it.
Oh, you're on the other side?
I'm so sorry. When you have power like this, never apologize.
I love the fact that you're so supportive, that you're learning her how to use her power to believe into herself that much, to don't apologize for being powerful.